Next is the Liebherr PR 776 bulldozer. With 757 horsepower at its disposal and tracks that provide stability and maneuverability on uneven terrains, this bulldozer serves as a versatile tool for construction, mining, and agricultural purposes. Coming in at second place, we encounter the Komatsu D475A bulldozer. With its 900 horsepower and innovative technologies, it has become a favorite in the construction and mining industries. Its superb maneuverability and reliability make it unparalleled in its class. And now,